Welcome all you DIYers. Today on Ryan Repairs, we're working on a 2006 Honda Accord dome light issue. The light doesn't seem to turn on when the door opens. The first thing you'll need to do is pop off the light covers to gain access to the screws underneath. We gotta take a screw out here, and we have to take a screw out here to remove this whole piece right there. Before we get started, I recommend taking off the lights. They can get hot if they're left on. You take those off and then you can have access and take those screws off. The screws are fairly easy to remove. The tricky part is when you have to unsnap the whole unit from its place. You just have to pull. It's a little snug. You pull and then it'll come off. Now you won't have a lot of room because it's all wired together. I recommend using a flathead screwdriver to help pop off those connectors. Once you pop off each connector, you'll be able to remove it and kind of work on it on your lap. Okay. Now that we got this piece off, we're going to flip it over and we're going to see that this piece has to be going there, so we have to pull it out. We pull it out, and then what I've heard also, if you take them both out and just try switching it. Now I heard if you just switch them from different sides it'll work. That's what I ended up doing. I started with a flathead screwdriver, then I realized it was easy just pushing it with your thumb and pop them each one off. It's fairly simple once you kind of got the hang of it. Now you can see I just switched the connectors to the different sides before using any of the new ones I bought. I wanted to see if that would work. I recommend giving that a shot before you go online and purchase any of these connectors. The good thing is these connectors can work with a variety of different models, and you'll know when you pop them in place. They actually make a snapping sound. Now, I didn't show you putting it all back together, but you just put the connectors in and then you push it into place and it all snap together. Now I am putting the lights back in before I actually test it with the door. Open the door. And then if we close it, I open it and close it. Alright, now all we gotta do is pop the light covers back into place, and this will complete today's repair. Alright, that ends another episode of Ryan's Repairs, where we fixed the issue with the dome light on a 2006 Honda Accord not working when the door opens. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe.